Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on our BODMAS. So here, how to solve the right method to get the right answer. Okay, so first of all, we simplify the parentheses. So 6 multiply 6 is same and 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, and then 6 multiply, we simplify the of BODMAS. So B for bracket and O for off. So now we simplify the of 6 multiply 2 is 12. Okay, and then 6 multiplied 12 is 72. Our this question answer 72 is right. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.